Welcome to my channel. Here we're going to make use of AutoCAD to solve this problem. This is question 5. And the question says that the triangle ABC has a perimeter of 200 millimeters. We're asked to construct the triangle if the ratio of sides of the triangle is 3:5:7. And then we're asked to construct 3 circles touching each other, taking the vertices A, B, and C of the triangle to be the centers of the circles. All right, so I've worked on this problem manually, and I found that this second sentence is not going to work. So we focus on the construction of triangle, making use of the perimeter and the ratio of sides. That is what we are going to do. Okay, so let's start and see how it goes. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to make sure that we put on the auto mode because we have to draw a horizontal line. So we come to line, and then we draw horizontal line, so line 200, so 200, so enter. So we have this line, and then I'm going to draw a line at an angle of 30 degree. So I will put on the auto mode. So I'll draw a line at an angle of 30 degree. Okay, maybe I should just leave it like this. So the angle is not compulsory. Okay, so I've drawn the line. So I'm going to label each end of the lines. Okay, so select single text. Then height of the letter is 2, and rotation angle is 0. So I'm coming to this point. So this point, label it as point X. So this point, I will label it as point Y, and this is point Z of the line. Okay, so we have it like this. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to divide this line XY into a number of equal parts, or into a given proportion, So based on the ratio of sides that we are given 3:5:7, if we sum the 3 values together, that will give us 15. So we are going to divide this line to 15 equal parts. So I'm not going to use axe to do the division of the line. So, but I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to make use of a tool, a divide tool, to divide this line XY into 15 equal parts. So we click on this tool, divide, and we have to select the object to divide. This is the object to divide, select it, and enter the number of division, which is 15. Press enter key on the keyboard. So this line has been divided into 15 equal parts. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to draw a line, so from here to here, okay? So that's it. Then I'm going to locate other points. So I'll just copy this line YZ. So I'll come to copy to here, and then select the object to copy. This is the object to copy, then right click. So pick it from this end here, and then see this is another point. So we have another point here, okay? So we have another point here. So we have a point here. We have a point here. We have a point here. Then we have another point here. There is a point here. There is a point here. So there is a point here. So there is a point here. There is one point here. So we have another point here. Then we have another point here. So I think this has given us 15 that we, so if you count it, should be 15. So I'm going to trim this. So I will trim them together at once. Okay. So that's it. So, and then, so the next thing that we're going to, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then 15. So we have that. So we have 15 equal division here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to number each of these points. I'm going to number each of these points. So I'll come to text here. So I will select single line text, and then I'm going to enter the height, that is 2. Rotation angle is 0. Okay, so then this point is 0.1. So this is 0.2. So this is 0.3. So this is 0.4. So this is 0.5. So here is 0.6. So this is 0.7. So here is 0.8. So this is 0.9. So this is 0.10. Okay. So this is 11. So while this is 12, there is 13. Okay, this is 14. And then the last one here is 15. Okay, so we have that. All right. So then, so the next thing that we are going to do, if you look at the last value among the given proportion is 7. So we are going to count 7 from the back. So we are not going to count this. So but we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that falls here on 6. So it falls here on 6. So I'm going to remove this line. Okay, on 6 or on 8. Sorry, it falls on 8. Let's do the counting again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is on 8. So I'm going to erase these ones. So I will remove them so that we can show that this line is valid to a given ratio. Then the next value is 5. So I will count 5. So I'm not going to count this. I will count 5 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it falls on 3. So I'm going to erase this. Okay. All right. So that's it. Then I will also erase this 2. All right. So we have the given ratio. So this point here, I'm going to label this point and this point. So I will select this. Then, so the height is 2 and the rotation angle is 0. So this point here now, so this point will be point A as we are asked to construct angle ABC, a triangle ABC. So this is point B. Okay, so we have this. So I'll just put C here and later I'll just take it and put it where I want it to be. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do now is to construct the triangle. So this is the perimeter, XY is the perimeter of the triangle. So I will come here and select this particular arc. Okay, center start length. Center start length. All right. Okay, I'm looking at it. So I can make use of this. Okay, I can make you. Let me try this. Okay, so from this point, so we move. So that's the center. Then it goes in this direction. Okay. So we drop it here. All right. So we have it like this. So I think that's the one that we are supposed to use. Okay. Then again, so we select the same center start end. So the same type of arc. So we select this. So this is the center. So from okay. I want to redo this so that I think I didn't say what I'm supposed to say there. So we select this type of arc center start end, and then we we start, the center is with B, then extend to point Y here and draw an arc like this. So the arc is usually drawn anti-clockwise. So it's usually drawn anti-clockwise. So make sure you follow that. So we drop it here. All right, so then we take it again. So center start end. So we start like this and we move. So so it goes. Okay, so I'm going to so it will go like this to point A. So to point A. So we drop it there. All right, so that's it. So so okay, let me start that in. I think let me take that again. So we take this particular arc. So the center is A, and then so we move like this, okay, and we drop it on point X here. That's it. So we drop it on point X. Is it on point X? I think that is not really okay. So I'm going to do it again. So I will take it again. All right, so from A, so it goes like this. All right, so it goes like this to point X here. Um, Let me take it again. Sorry. All right, so from A, so let me see how it goes like this. All right, so I'm just going to delete this. I'll just remove this. All right, so I'll break this. So what I just need is for, okay, so this is what we need. All right, so the radius of this small arc here is distance AX or XA. So that's what we have. So what we need to do now is to draw the triangle. So we take the line and we join this point together. So we join these 2 points together. So actually, so this point is point C. So I drop C there. Okay. So deselect it. Then I'm going to draw a line again that will connect A, B together. And then so we drop it. So we connect everything together with point C. So that is it. So I'm going to make sure we can see this triangle by selecting this type of line. Okay, so I need to put on the line width. Okay, so that is it. So it will show very well. So we have it. So this is the triangle. So triangle ABC that we have to consider. As simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. Thank you and God bless you.